watching this tutorial on how to print the labels or stickers you've purchased at our Teachers Pay Teachers store or website at home to make it a cost-effective way to get your students engaged, learning music theory better, and also save you time not having to repeat yourself and write the same information on many different books and worksheets. Now, the main thing is we have to sort out first which labels we're going to use. Now, all our stickers and labels, regardless of the one you use, are generic, which means that you can use them on any size, either square or round labels, depending on which one you've purchased. This tutorial is a generic one, so it doesn't matter which pack you've bought. This is just to get the process and understand how to print them. Now, I like to use Avery labels because of their quality. However, you can use generic labels such as these ones. If you do, just be sure to be able to transfer the amount of stickers and size to the correct Avery template, which can be easily done by the size and how many labels per page you have. So once you've done that, we're going to head over to the Avery website. In my case, I'm using the Australian website. That's where I'm located. However, your website might be located in a different area, so it might look a little bit different. However, the process is the same. Now, you don't have to use Avery. You can use whichever software you like. I'm just trying to show you an easy way to quickly print the labels. Now, once you've done that, we're going to head over to templates. Just be sure you know which template you're using, regardless if you're using generic labels or the Avery ones. And the ones I'll be using today are the 35 times 35 square. So once I've done that, I've found my template and I'm going to go to the blank option. And this is going to load up our customizable template. So over here on the right, you can see that we have the blank template, which is the stickers that I have ready in my printer to go. And what we're going to do is either edit all or edit one. In this case, let's just make it easy and edit all. By editing into all, it's going to populate whichever sticker you want to all of those boxes, which means that you have one sticker for the whole page. If you edit one by one, you're going to have to do one by one, the same process until you complete the whole page. I think editing all will be easier if you want to have many stickers of the same type. Now let's head over to image and we're going to add the image. I'm going to browse the file. And here we have the pack that you previously downloaded. Remember, this is a generic one. Doesn't matter which one you've downloaded, the process is the same. So let's just pick, for example, the piano fingers in my case. And we're going to wait for that to load. And once it loads, we have to be sure that it fits snug within the red dotted line. Yes. Now you can trial and error. I sometimes go all the way out and bring it in where the image is within that dotted line. However, to be on the safe side, let's keep the whole sticker within that red dotted line. And once you've done that, you'll see how it's populated the whole page. Then we hit preview and print, and here we have the PDF to be exported. So we're going to print now. We don't want to save the project because I don't have an account here, and we're going to download the PDF. Once you've downloaded the PDF, we're going to open that PDF and we're going to print it. Now here, what we're going to do is we're going to print it at the highest possible settings on our printer. And we're going to head over to this printer that I have. I have the paper ready in the printer. And when we go to the preview or the scale, you're going to scale to fit, and you're going to use fill entire page to make sure there's no border to keep the template as close as possible to the printing requirements. And if you can change the medium quality, please do so from normal to best, or if you can even change the resolution, you should do that too, to the highest possible. And once you've done that, you're going to click print, and then let's see the result in the next bit of the video on how that came out. So here we have the result of the printouts. On this side, we used a low setting, which means that the quality of the printout and the colors isn't that great. It's hard to read the small letters. However, on this side, we've used the best settings possible and the resolution, which means that even the small letters can be read really, really well, and the quality of the colors are nice and bright. Now, bear in mind, everyone's printer is different, which means that you might have to trial and error until you get this right. And also, it will depend on the quality of the paper and the size of the stickers that you're using. So be sure to follow us for more stickers, and we will be updating all the stickers in our description below, the ones that come out new. Be sure to follow us on our Pinterest and our YouTube, and please click that bell to be notified when one of our new videos come out. Thank you for watching. Hope this was useful. Enjoy your teaching, and let's hope that Remifa can make your learning and teaching a lot better. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.